Okay, legends, this is my first time going over some Bitcoin charts, well, crypto charts. So, I've been going over it in the past couple of days, and the price action, especially intraday, seems really nice, very volatile, um, quick movements, and that's what you look for as traders. So, I'm just gonna give my view on it and see how it goes. So, obviously, just been going up and up and up. So on the daily, I mean, we're at all-time highs, so I don't have anything else to reference it with. Apart from fib levels or some swing projections using ABCD movements, but I don't know at the moment if this is a low. So let's take it. So we made a low here, then obviously a higher high, then we came down, took out this low, but then we moved back up, made a higher low. So this can be a possible stop rate. So if we're looking for bullish price action, anticipate bullishness, this could be the move down to take out the stops before the next leg up. So so one scenario is that this has come down, collected some stops, then buyers have stepped in again, made a new high, broke that. So if this breaks, then I'm seeing this move here as a stop rate and possibly lower prices. So the only other level I can reference is probably here. It's here, support. But if this is a bottom in place, then new highs, and I think the new highs will probably be at 5,000, the next objective. I mean, I'll play as fib levels, but each fib level, but so for 5,000 is around here. So this level is around what, 5,011. Let's call it 5,000. So that would be my next objective. Well, one of my objectives anyway. Let me just mark that out. 5,000. Then it would be another level would be this, the 4,800 level. 4,800. And another one, obviously, this down here, 4,620. These are just objectives I have marked out, just using fibs. Okay, so what would give me confidence on getting in on this? So the way I would play it is I would wait. I mean, high risk play would be buying here with a stop here. That's more riskier, you know, buying there, stop there, and then playing for obviously these highs here, and obviously this high here is objective. So what way of waiting for it is look at the stop rate. So if this down candle led to the move up to take out these stops here, so I would draw that out. Basic play. For more confidence, I'd wait for a move up above this. Wait for a move up above this, then come back down, give me some bullish price action, and then get back in to continue the trend higher. That's how I would play it, as a high confidence play. Intraday, I'd play both sides, you know, no problem. I'd play both sides. So when I took the short here, when I was messing around with demo, where did I short it from? Fuck. Oh, so I shorted it here. As soon as this popped up, this was the H1 block here, and then I wait for the breakdown. So breakdown here. As soon as it broke this, shorted it. Put my stop loss there initially. As it started to break down, short weakness, I trailed it down. Then I did another position, and I came out here. So this was the void fill. Okay, day trades, intraday. I come out earlier than this now. I came out there. It was just a small messing around play, but just to get a feel for the price action. So this could be a possible, yeah. So I'm not gonna talk too much about intraday because then it's just noise. But the bigger picture play would be a break of this here, here, and then get back on board. That would be my high time frame play, and then my play would ideally 4620, 4800, 5000. Then we'll see what other price it gives us. So that's that there. And this is a similar setup to. I'm gonna try to compare this with another setup. So here. I'm trying to find the other setup that I've seen. No, it does. It's not coming to me right now. So that's Bitcoin, BTC USD, Ethereum. I think the Ethereum's the stronger one. If I look at ETH BTC, it's come down, spiked down into this here. So I'm gonna do this first, and then I'll do Ethereum. It's come down, took out these lows, spiked down, fill the void in into this block, and the way this is looking, possibly new highs. Well, I'd see it as a stronger. If I'm going to compare which one I'm likely to buy, Ethereum over Bitcoin, based on this. So I'd like this to keep pushing up. As long as this keeps pushing up, ETH BTC, then Ethereum is the better play. But that doesn't mean Bitcoin not going to go up. I think that's going to go up as well. So the way I would play this one is similar play. These down candles led to the move up to take out these stops. I'd wait for a break of this, retest, show me some bullish price action here. I want to see bullish price action here. If I get that, then continue higher. Okay, that's all I'll do, to be honest with you. I'm still new to looking at this, and that's all that's standing out to me right now. So I'm gonna stop the recording, and then we'll take any questions. Oh yeah, I got Litecoin up as well. This is not very clear to me. I mean, I'm seeing higher prices, but so this, if for me to get long, I want to see price stay above this low here, and then, but the way I'm guessing is if all these pairs cryptos are showing similar, I'm assuming they're all correlated, so similar price action. So these two are the main plays, ETH and BTC. So that's what I'm waiting for. Intraday play, what's interesting is if I draw out 50% of this. Now focus on the bodies of the candles, okay? The bodies, the closes. It couldn't close. This is why I exited the trade. It couldn't close below 50% of this H1 block here. So I focus on the bodies. The close is what is the most important to me. So this is interesting to see if we get some bullish flow here. Obviously my trigger would be once it breaks this level, but you know, it looks interesting for a possible bottom, but we'll see. This is the main play. Okay, so let me just pause that.